How to make Telegram account without number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss whether or not we can make Telegram account without number, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to make a Telegram account without number, you can see if I open up Telegram, right off the bat the very first thing it asks me to do is to simply go ahead and then enter my phone number over here. So there is no any other option other than entering my phone number. So you can see we don't have option to do a Gmail or create an account with username or something like that. But don't worry, because one thing there is still that you can do, and that is to simply use a virtual phone number. So if you are not being able to use a real phone number because maybe you are underage for some reason, there are some sites out there which I'm not going to particularly mention in this video, but there are definitely some of the sites out there on Google that offers you virtual phone numbers, and they are completely legal, by the way. There are some apps like Numero, eSIM and so on. You can use those as a virtual phone number because you will also get the SMS code, and you can use that to simply verify the code and then start using Telegram. So you can make Telegram account without phone number. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.